In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cursive writing notebook in Microsoft Word. If you want to design your own cursive handwriting practice sheets for students, children, or personal use, this step-by-step guide will help you set it up quickly and neatly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, printable cursive writing page ready to use. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. The first thing we need to adjust is the page layout. Click on the Layout tab and choose your preferred paper size, such as A4 or letter, depending on how you plan to print it. You can also adjust the margins to narrow if you want more writing space on the page. Next, we'll create the writing lines. Go to the Insert tab and click on Table. Select a one-column table with multiple rows. The number of rows depends on how many practice lines you want on your page. Once the table appears, adjust the row height by highlighting the entire table. Click the Table Layout, then under the Table Layout tab, check Specify Height, then set a fixed height to create evenly spaced writing lines. This helps maintain consistent spacing for cursive practice. Now, we'll format the borders to look like notebook lines. With the table still selected, go to the Table Design tab. Choose Borders and remove the left and right borders if you prefer simple horizontal lines. Keep the bottom borders to create clean writing lines across the page. If you want a more realistic cursive practice style, you can adjust the border thickness to make the lines lighter. To add cursive text for tracing practice, click inside the first row of the table and type a sample word, letter, or sentence. Then, highlight the text and change the font to a cursive style such as Great Vibes, Lucida Handwriting, or any installed cursive font on your computer. You can increase the font size to make tracing easier. If you want students to trace over faint letters, change the font color to a light gray. Once your layout is complete, review the spacing to make sure everything looks balanced and aligned properly. You can copy and paste the sample text into additional rows if you want repeated practice lines. Finally, save your document and print it. Creating your own cursive writing notebook in Microsoft Word is simple and customizable. You can design pages for letters, words, or full sentences depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.